garbage. But I have something in the numerator, so I have to tack on that thing on the numerator as well. And so this is the total peak. And you can, of course, substitute for zeta, and I'll write the values here. So in the quiz, you can either take my word and say, okay, hey, this is how it's going to work out. You don't need to do the derivations, but I suggest if you have time, if you're bored, take a piece of scrap paper, do the differentiation and figure out and see. Do you really get the same answer? Okay? And if you get it, well and good. Here are the answers. Omega r is obviously less than the natural frequency. Why is it obviously less than the natural frequency? Why is omega r obviously less than the natural frequency?
So there's no resonance and
I could still define resonance as the point where there is a peak occurring. Yes? Zeta is not equal to 0. When zeta is equal to 0, omega r is equal to omega n. When zeta is non-zero and it's between this range, omega r is always going to be less than omega n. You see the peak keeps shifting to the left. Okay? And then my t peak value here, I'll be posting the solution as well, but it's just brute force substitution. Okay? And so, before we leave, and I know, thank you for coming first of all. Thanksgiving, I don't expect so many people to come. It's always a pleasure teaching you all. For the final exam, I'm going to have 3 questions. I have seen that people are still not comfortable with mechanical systems. I will make it a point to make sure that you never forget mechanical systems. Okay? For the final exam. You're going to have one problem from mechanical systems. You're going to have one problem from electrical systems, like some kind of a circuit. Calculate the resonant frequency, calculate the peak, draw the body plots. Okay, that's a simple problem. Not simple, but you'll be able to work your way through it, no trouble. I'll make sure the numbers are all good. All of you are going to write the exam at the same time. So the last problem is going to be on fluid systems, which I'm going to start the day, the lecture after the next lecture. So that's going to be lecture number 39. So I'm going to have 3 lectures for fluid systems. And fluid systems will be important because you're going to do hydraulic systems in 3360, the next course that you're taking. So I want to make sure that I teach you the fundamental aspects of fluid systems. And it won't be too bad either. Mechanical systems, please watch out. Okay? Thank you.